What's up, Rihanna? We have a lump in the middle of the bed just to separate us. Look, if you look closely, that's us on YouTube. Go on Oriana Hunt. Well, we probably are if you're reading this video, but hey ho. She won't speak. She's lost her tongue or something. This lump is, whoa, it's moving. Very handy, I was going to say. Yeah, you're taking up all the room. Oh, what's that? I wonder what the hell that was then. It's my finger. Oh, what the hell's that? Oh, hello. Her phone is off. Oriana's penguin pillow. You're very scary. Why? Can you look to me like that? Are you ever gonna go downstairs?
Yeah, no.
Go on then. Up to it. Oriana's digging her nose. Did you hear her? I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to people on YouTube.
What?
I'm filming it ready for YouTube. This is not on YouTube.
Cool.
You can see you. I told you she's picking her nose. Now she's chewing her nail to make it look like she's picking her nose. Chewing her nail even. See, she must have went like that way. Yeah. I think this lump is really annoying. Ready, go over here. Peekaboo. Oh, crap. Peekaboo. Oriana. Bye-bye. You.